seduce him. He's a ministry. All these missionary styles should stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a video that you will enjoy. Today's video, if you're a man, if you're a woman, if we're a couple, then if you are a boyfriend and a girlfriend, because not be me go tell you whether you supposed get girlfriend or you supposed get boyfriend, but today's video is going to be after sex hygiene. What did I say? After a lot of hygiene. You wear the sexy. Hey, Obara Jesus. wait, calm down, Oga. Calm down. So this man told me that this is where tabi. Jesus, Obara Jesus. After sex hygiene. My name is OGOM'S, a content creator based in Abuja. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. In that way, YouTube will actually push out this particular video. And let's get right into it. Welcome back, guys. So I think this is kind of like a topic that I don't really hear people talking about. Okay, we always talk about things you need to do before they lay down on you, like before una lot, so you set the room, you wear sexy lingerie, you put a very soft music, you take your bath, you spray perfume. If you need to bring yogurt and your weapon of destruction like your 50 shades of gray, you bring it on. But nobody tells us the after sex hygiene, things that you need to do after sex, things that you need to do after a lachoto. Now, dear men, I want to put this out there. Please and please, if you know that you want to sleep with us, please and please make sure you appear to us sexy. If you know those ways that we used to appear to you people sexy, do you think that we don't want you people looking sexy? Don't be wearing all these boxers that you people used to wear and come. You people need to look sexy for us. Yes. Is there every time they will say as a woman, you wear sexy lingerie, you wear this one. You don't need to be smelling when you come to the bedroom. Yes, you need to spray perfume like we used to spray perfume.
It's not that expensive. It is a shameful thing that you come to snap picture with me. Can be he good. Throw that iPhone away. Buy deodorant. Manage.
Yes, you need to appear sexy. Don't be smelling. Make sure you go and take your bath before you come. Now, our number one tips on after sex hygiene as a woman is that you need to pee. Make sure that you pee after you have sex with your husband or whoever it is. You know, concern me. But as a woman, after sex, make sure you go to the toilet. Wee. If you need to use, after you wee, wash down there, because all this small spam will be there. Please, skip this video if you don't want to wash. Yes, skip them. But let us put it out there. After your sex, make sure you go to the toilet, you pee, you use water and wash down there, because there are small spam that will be there. Wash down there very well. Leave it airy. When you finish washing, go and lie down, open your legs and let fan blow that place, so that so that it doesn't smell. You tend to reduce the risk of infection when after sex you go and pee and wash down there, or even clean. When you finish washing, if you need to use tissue and clean, use tissue and clean, but make sure you open up your legs after it so that air will enter inside that place. So that is for our number one tips. Make sure you go and pee after sex. Now, our number two tips after sex hygiene, that is maybe if you want to get pregnant. After you finish having sex, just lie down there for a while. Don't get up. so that the sperm don't get to fall off. You just lie down there for a while so that all the yogurt that they have given you, the thing will enter inside well, so that it will catch all the egg that it's supposed to catch. Don't stand up. Don't be quick to stand up. Then after some time, you can now go to the toilets and go and wash off. After washing off, you come and lie down back. But if you know you want to get pregnant, that is what they told me, and I'm now telling you people. You can also ask and inquire from your doctor. All these things I'm saying here. When you know that you want to take in and they have given you yogurts, you need to relax so that those sperm will catch all the whole egg. Because you know that it's always a war going down there, but we don't used to know the war between the sperm and women egg. Yes, so if you know you want to get pregnant after sex, relax. Don't
Relax.
be in a rush to stand up. Just relax there. So that is for our next town. Another after sex hygiene is that do not forget to take your pill. Yes, if you know that you're on a contraceptive,
please do not procrastinate. You know, don't.
Contraceptive. Shebi, I got the if you know you are on a contraceptive, I beg. Even if as you sweet you like, maybe some people like us sometimes I will just lie down there and sleep. Please do not sleep. If not, if you know you're on a contraceptive that you people don't born finish, stand up there and go and take your pill. That is after you have finished washing off, you take your pill in the bedroom before you come down to come and rest. This also applies to men about the washing. Please, if you people finish sleeping with us, make sure you go to the toilet, pee and wash your this thing. Wash your.
No problem. Bye bye.
I love you. I love you. Make sure you wash it and allow it to air dry. It's not only women that needs to apply all this hygiene, because you people need to be clean like how we used to be clean too. Yes. You people, it's not always women need to be clean at all times. What of you people, men? You don't know that if you have infection and you come and sleep with us, once you sleep with us, we don't get the infection already. So even men, you people need to know the toilets that you people use outside, where you're wee, where you're poo-pooing. You people need to be careful like how we women used to be careful. I know ours should be extra because our body is open. Even you men, your body is open small, so you people should make sure that you check where you wee and where you put your bum to poo, because once you people have infection and you people come to us, we don't carry them, and our own not be here. You know, when you have infection or kike, you know this scratching. Hey, it will be scratching you will be scratching it after you will have blisters, and if you dare go to wee or even pour water there, it will be like a Okike is not your mate, because you will be at the junction, you will want to scratch, you can't scratch, you'll be doing like this, you'll be dancing in the junction. So please, dear men, you people should know the toilets that you people use when outside, because me, I hardly use any toilet outside because I know that I have a very sensitive skin. Small thing, it don't scratch me. And please, this pap smear that they used to talk about, have you done a pap smear before? Do you know what is pap smear? I think I've done it once. So as a woman, I think they say that they usually do it once a year. I don't really know how they explained it. So please try and do a pap smear as a woman. Try and go to the hospital from time to time. Check yourself. Go with your partner. You people should check yourself and know if everything is in order. I'm not talking about this. Just check yourself. Do all the necessary tests that you need to do as a man, as a woman. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Dear women, we also need to be taking our cranberry supplement. I heard it helps for down there. It helps for our vagina. You can ask your doctor about cranberry supplements. It's very, very important. I take it this is the brand that I take. I don't really remember the name, but if I get a picture, I'll put it on the screen or I'll put a name. But just ask of cranberry supplements. I heard it helps for the vagina and yeah, some other things. So as a man, you also need to take your supplements, because if you are to give us a better yogurt, we need, if you are to give us yogurt, we need better yogurt, we need healthy yogurt in order for it to do all the necessary work that is supposed to do on our body. Men, please, you need to take your supplements. If you need to take your well man, if you need to take your better man, any supplements that you need to take as a man, please make it mandatory to take it. We women, if you need to remind them, because these men, they get plenty things that they think. So please and please remind our men to always take their supplements. And you as a woman, you also need supplements, your vitamin C, your vitamin E, so many supplements that we women they take. So please, as we are taking it, let's also encourage our men to take their supplement. As you are eating healthy, make it mandatory that your partner is eating healthy. If it's like my dad, he will say, gina digi kwesị unu kwesị na-emeke ihe ọnụ ihe ọbụla ị na-eli so far no healthy one ị na-enye ya ọ na-eli na-akwọli ya smoothie. What I mean is, he's saying that whatever it is that I'm eating, I should be giving my husband. If it's smoothie, I should blend it and give it to him, because it's both of us that will get old together, because we need to be healthy. All these things is for old age that we are preparing. We are preparing for old age. So after sex hygiene needs to be encouraged for both men and for both women. So all these tips that I've mentioned, I think I've diverted so many times. All these tips that I've mentioned, please and please, if you have other tips that we also need to do after sex hygiene, please leave it in the comment section. Leave it in the comment section. It's really, really important. After sex hygiene, if you know that you do it in the morning, please, when you are going out, wear panty liner, because if you go out, you will still be having all these small discharge that will be dropping. You wouldn't want it to drop on your pants, so make sure you wear a panty liner if you have had sex, maybe in the morning or in the afternoon, so that those discharge will not be dropping on your pants. It will be dropping on the panty liner, because if that discharge used to drop plenty on your pants, you will see some of our pants, it will have that line that will be on it. So that is why it's always encouraged for you to change your pants every 3 months. Some people, they change every 1 month, but just make sure that you change your pants. Make you know wear one set of pants for 1 year, 2 years, you still wear one set of pants, because all those discharge used to give that brown mark that you used to see on your pants. So all these things, even men, please change your boxers. You people have discharge too.
Let's be poor. Breathe. Don't suffocate them.
Discharge. So please and please, we need to be healthy for each other. We need to be healthy for our partner. Even if you are not married yet and you are a woman, it's encouraged for you to always wear a panty liner. It's encouraged for you to always wash off whenever you go to wee. You use a tissue. Make sure that tissue is in your bag. Make sure that wipes is in your bag, so that when you go outside and wee, you clean off, so that you won't get infection when you are young or when you haven't even gotten married. So please and please, dear men, dear women, this video is for both of us. Healthy hygiene needs to be encouraged between our men. Change your boxers, Biko. Change your boxers. Some men, they don't change their boxers after 1 week. Why would you do that? Even if it's 2 days that you will wear boxers and change it, is good. But don't wear one particular boxers for 1 walk, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month of polo boxers in ACC. You are smelling. Shut up! Please encourage your husband to always look good, to always look sexy. Yes, if you need to buy perfume for them, buy perfume for them, because these men, if you leave them, they will not buy anything for themselves. This thing, they will always say, don't give pant and singlet to your husband or to your partner, my dear. My dear, if you go to your husband's closet and you see that his panty line, his boxers and singlets are old, trash them and buy new ones for them. Na gift, na better gift to be. But if your husband no need for him, buy other gifts for him. There is perfume, there are more boxers, buy more boxers. They need more boxers, so that if they change their boxers every 2 days, they will see more to wear to look sexy for us. If you buy top and shirt for your husband, he don't say if he fine. If they ask him, oh, my wife bought it for me. Do you know the pride that comes with when you buy something that is very fine for your husband? If the friends see they admire themselves, they will say, oh, it's my wife that bought it. Oh, you know the joy that comes with it. So that is what I want to put out there. Sexy hygiene for both men and women, for our partners. So that is my message for today. I know you enjoyed this video. Give it thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell. Make sure that you always go to the hospital to check yourself as a woman, as a man. But we women, we also need to check ourselves. If you get infection, or if you know that you get crow down there, your this thing is crashing you, please go. Let them do a test to know the kind of yeast infection that you have, to give you the right drugs to take. Do not self-prescribe or the wrong one. So please and please, these are the tips that I know that we need. That is why I'm putting it out there. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Join my membership, please. It seems I haven't been advertising this. Join my membership now. Joining membership is another way for which you can support my channel. Pat me at the back. This video I'm doing now is by the roadside. I parked here. I know I need to give you people content, but I would have just said let me go where I'm going. But I need to make money. So please and please watch the ads in my video. Join my membership. If you click on the join button, for which you can see down there, join with any amount that you can. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for your love and support on my channel. I really appreciate. Thank you guys so much. God bless you all. And if you never find partner, your partner shall locate you this year in Jesus' name. If you never find girlfriend, you shall find girlfriend. If you never find wife, you shall find wife. If you never find husband, you go find husband, so that you go enjoy waiting people they enjoy. I will see you guys. Oh God. Bye.
Seduce him. It's a ministry. All these missionary styles should stop. You are always at the bottom. What are you looking for there? Change your address. Come up hither. The Bible says shall be above only. Who says you cannot invite your husband to have sex with you? Who says? Because he's your husband. Because they say, hey, so that you won't be a prostitute. Lie. Demonic aspect of the African culture. You can invite him. He's your husband. Just send him a code. You can walk up to him and say, can we have a flight to Jerusalem tonight? He knows what you are talking about. You can tell him, I want deposits without withdrawal. He understands. That means you don't want to be pregnant. Tickle him. Play with him. Sit on his laps while he's watching the TV. Please, let's bring fun and romance back into our marriage.